Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through how you would reset the tyre warning light there, and it comes up on there as well. So on your steering, so you get rid of everything, scroll to the left, okay, and then come down to setting, and then driver assist, and then come down to tyre monitor, hit OK. And then it says hold on to OK. So this OK here, hold on to it. So that's done. I'll just repeat it again. So hold OK to store the tire pressure, hold on to it, it's going to reset. There you go, done. And it's eliminated it there. So when we do turn it on, it's no longer there. If we do turn it off and turn it back on, it's gone.